Hey everybody, this is Shahaf and I'm here to update you about the latest with COTI Pay Business with its enterprise client. Now, as you all know, we've been hard working on this project for more than a year now, and we are now getting to the final stages. Now, we assume millions of dollars will flow through the systems. So obviously what we're doing right now is the security audits, penetration tests, smart contract audits, etc., etc. Once this stage is finalized, we are going into integration with our client and then launching the project. So super exciting time, hard work. A lot of the latest COTI technologies have been employed with this, and we're very excited about this. So let me take this opportunity to kind of deep dive into what we are building, why we're building it, what sort of technologies we are using, and what does it all mean for COTI and for you. So let's describe the solution first off, from top to bottom, and then as a steps period to what the users will see. Top to bottom. First of all, we are minting a few stable coins. These stablecoins will be pegged to local currencies in Asia. This is where most of the user base of our client is, and we are creating multiple stablecoins to answer multiple demand flows from users. So there will be a few stablecoins. We'll probably start with one and gradually grow. Now this is important. We haven't disclosed this earlier. We are launching a router. What is a router? Our client right now already accepts crypto as a form of payment, but this can happen, in multiple chains, different environments, etc. We want to streamline this whole thing. So COTI develops a router. This router sits behind the cryptocurrency gateway. In the gateway, we allow to our clients to accept payment in multiple currencies, multiple chains, right? And then through the router, everything converts to CMD tokens on the trust chain to streamline this whole effort and to make everything scalable, cost-effective, etc. And then the whole back-end operation happens on the trust chain on the CMD standard. So we are launching this router. As I've mentioned, the user base is in Asia mostly. So the first chain we'll support will be Tron. So we are minting stablecoins that are TRC20 standard stablecoins and the corresponding CND standard COTI tokens, which will also be the stablecoin. So minting stablecoins, receiving them through a crypto currency payment processing system that we provide, then through a router, and then to our enterprise clients backend service. The way we're building it is that we are integrating to the enterprise payment flow, his current payment system. We're not trying to reinvent things. We are using what the client has. So from the user's perspective, it's the system that they're accustomed to. No need to learn new things. It can easily be adopted. Our client will offer users to buy his new stablecoins through a fiat on-ramp that he includes, or they can just get it through exchanges, or just by using the system, which brings me to kind of like the narrative behind this whole thing. So, working in the gaming industry, you want to be as inclusive as you can, and this is why enterprises and merchants offer all sorts of payment methods. Cryptocurrency is very lucrative, but it comes with a few issues that we're trying to solve with this COTI Pay Business system and with a private payment network. And this is why we're introducing this, but we're trying to keep it as smooth as possible for the users. And it means that users, and let's go to the user experience with that, but users can deposit cryptocurrencies and withdraw cryptocurrencies from their gaming balance, right? If they win, they can withdraw more, obviously. But as it is, for the enterprise, it's super efficient because it saves them all the processing costs that comes with credit cards, the long settlement time, and all the issues that come with being, in the gaming industry and wanting to accept payments. This is very exciting for them. So this is why they'll probably be offering some incentives for users. So let's say you deposit 100 and you're getting 105 because you're using the system that they prefer for you to use. This is again very exciting for everybody. So let's go through this process from the user's perspective. We've made an infographic for you to view, and you can just follow the steps. Step 1, the minting of the stable coins. This is a backend operation. The merchant will create a sufficient amount, and as I've mentioned, this enterprise processes millions on a daily basis, so they'll create an according amount. Users can buy these stablecoins using fiat on-ramp or through a DEX when it's available, if it's available, or they can just, after day 1, they can just withdraw their balance with these stablecoins. So phase 1 is the creation, and again, we're creating both stablecoins on the Tron chain as the CMD standard. Step 2, you make a deposit at the platform. So using your wallet, you connect and you send tokens. You'll be sending them initially on the Tron chain. Once these tokens hit the cryptocurrency gateway, they reach the router, and then they are converted to the CMD standard. And you can, as users, as the Coty community, you can follow this on the Explorer and see how the transactions happen from deposit to router, etc. The balance of the user in the gaming website is then updated. They're free to play whatever games they choose. And if they win, they can withdraw funds just by reversing this entire process. So this is it, from top to bottom. What are the upside for the merchant? So first of all, 100% acceptance rate. 100% acceptance rate is quite rare when it comes to the gaming industry, where with some payment methods you can be capped at 30%. So if you're losing 70% of your revenue, that's quite steep, right? So with this 100% acceptance rate, fees are much lower. Settlement is instant. It's exactly as if you received cash, and obviously this is a great upside. The way the system is built is that we are not asking the user to learn new things. They can just do whatever they used to do, and the solution, COTI Pay Business with the CMD standard, kind of like solves everything and brings up all sorts of operational efficiencies. Great. So what does this mean for Coty? Well, first of all, it's accumulation of a lot of technologies that we've been working on, right? You need the cryptocurrency payment processing gateway, which we have. You need multi-DAG 2.0 with CMD tokens. As you know, we've been working a lot on this, and we'll immediately be able to create a few tokens, a few new stablecoins on top of the chain. There's the router that we'll use. And a system that kind of like a CRM system and a backend system that kind of like bundles this all into one thing. So a demonstration of technologies. 2, obviously, the usage of the network, right? This is like, again, an enterprise that processes a lot of money on a daily basis. Obviously, not all of it will be funneled through this system, but over time, and this will gradually be introduced to more and more audiences, we'll see a nice usage of the trust chain using this system. Third, obviously, we want to grow both within this enterprise world, and they have more than one gaming brand, so we want to grow there. But we're also thinking that this is a great off-the-shelf product that we can then use with other enterprises in the gaming industry, and we're aiming for that as well. So again, very exciting for Coty. A lot of things are now happening in this Q4. So wanted to keep you in the loop. Wanted to let you know that we're making great progress, and we are now at the final security audit, penetration tests, etc. Super important, obviously. And then it will integrate and come to life. And thank you for sticking up with us and following up with this entire process. We're very excited to finally see it come to life. Thank you, and stay COTI.